When I make pork like that, there is nothing left. Start by taking 400 g of pork and season with salt and pepper from the kingdom to taste. Massage the pieces well, ensuring that the taste penetrates to the bone. Repeat the same procedure on the other side, because who does not love an incredible taste? Now, heat a frying pan with olive oil and add the meats, letting fry until golden brown. Turn the meat in the skillet to ensure a uniform frying, because we want all the flavor. Once you are ready, remove the meat and reserve. Next, take 2 onions and cut them into pieces. Take the chopped onions to the skillet and fry for 2 minutes, until golden. Now, add 2 cloves of chopped garlic and stir well. Mix 1 tablespoon of wheat flour, giving a slight thickened in our stew. Then add 300 milliliters of water and cook for 2 minutes. Hit the salt and add pepper and paprika to taste, mixing everything very well. Put the meats back in the skillet, cover and cook for 20 minutes to absorb all the flavors. Finish with chives and parsley to taste, and here it is. Our wonderful pork is ready to be served. Did you like this recipe? Then like and share it to receive more amazing tips like this. Bon appetit and see you next culinary adventure.